Chapter 2 General Law of Contract. 2.1 Law of Contract. Meaning of contract: the agreements creating obligations between the parties, if enforceable by law, are treated as contract. Nature of contract: contract is an agreement between two or more persons on a particular matter or matters. Contract creates legal and binding obligations between the parties. Contract establishes a course of actions between the parties which is to be performed by them. Contract provides certain remedies if things go wrong to the affected party. Contract is recognized and enforceable by law, that is contract law. Functions of contract: contract normally establishes the value of the exchange or transaction. Contract lays down the respective responsibilities of the parties and the standard of performance to be expected of them. Contract enables the economic risks involved in the transaction. Contract provides remedies to the affected party if a promise is not fulfilled. Contract in effect: the instrument by which the separate and conflicting interests of the participants can be reconciled and brought to a common goal. Essential elements of a valid contract: two parties, intention to create legal relationship, meeting of minds or consent, consideration free consent, capacity of the parties, legality of object, not expressly declare void, possibility to perform, certain and clear, legal formalities, classification of control on the basis of enforceability contracts, valid contract, voidable contract, unenforceable contract, illegal contract. On the basis of formation contracts: express contract, implied contract, quasi contract. On the basis of existing duty under a contract: unilateral contract, bilateral contract. On the basis of performance of contracts: executed contract, executory contract. On the basis of future contingency of contract: simple contract, contingent contract.